Hi everyone, my name is Ulka Patil and today I am presenting my hackathon project, an AI-powered math lesson generator for teachers. I have built this tool to save time, simplify teaching, support visual learning, especially for subjects like math and science. I will cover at higher level the problem space, the solution, AI tools used, demo the screens, impact, next steps, and key learnings. I am focusing on the challenge. How can K-12 teachers generate curriculum-aligned math lessons with explanation, diagrams, quizzes in under 5 minutes without any design expertise? The key teacher pain points that I researched involve they spend 7 to 11 hours per week on planning the lessons, and 76% of them create visuals before the night, and they use measure of their personal time in these activities. They have to tackle between different tools, and math is the hardest subject to visualize. As part of the solution, I proposed a no-code tool where teachers simply select a subject, enter a concept, and the app automatically generates a full lesson, including explanation, interactive diagram, quiz question, and send it to the email immediately to the students via email. The key features involve a structured explanation, a visual diagram, a test question for assessment, and email delivery from a single form that teacher can uh, use. The important tech stack that I used was Glide app for UI data management, OpenAI for explanation and quiz generation, GeoGebra for math diagrams, and mail.com for automation and email delivery. I use NLP diagram prompt engineering and AI generated emails. With this solution, AI supported in eliminating manual formatting, speeding up the process, visualizing the learning, the diagrams, and transform simple input into a complete lesson. The key screens involve a home page, a lessons page, test question, all students list page, and a student view of the lesson in the email. So I will quickly demo the tool here. So this is the home page. There is a view for all student list and a practice diagram visualizer. But let's assume a teacher wants to create a concept for geometry. It puts a question like what is a Cartesian system and submits the prompt. So it takes some time to generate the diagram and content, but this is how the AI generated content look like. This is the test question, and here is the send button, which I will click for a delivery of system. Since it's taking time, I will show you other examples here. So for example, the circle geometry, it connected with GeoGebra and use brought this interactive diagram here for circle geometry with explanation, test question, and send option. When the email is sent, a student receives an email like this. What is the Cartesian coordinate system with the subject and explanation? Still not robust, but so it's still a efficient method for teachers. And at the backend side, this is my data tables. This is the concept tables where AI generated columns, prompts, and diagram URLs from GeoGebra. This is the layout, and this is the webhooks integration for email, and also an integration to generate the GeoGebra diagrams, like getting the URL from there. Now going back to the presentation here, as part of the impact, I want to share that it will reduce the teacher's time from 40 minutes to 5 minutes, and it is a 100% visual learning tool. It increases efficiency for generating lessons 3 times what teachers do today. As future explorations, I will look into student performance tracking, multi-subject support, gamifying the learning, including more export options and making it accessible using text-to-speech integration. Uh, High-level development insights. One of the technical challenge was creating the images in DALI, so that's why I pivoted to GeoGebra for more precise visualization, but still it's difficult to create diagrams using GeoGebra because the right prompt and formatting is needed. And I use ChatGPT Glidebot for error handling and streamlining support and like for any questions that I have. In conclusion, the solution that I build with no code and automation is a future vision for classroom assistant on all subjects, improving teacher simplicity, speed, and scalability. Thank you for listening. I will stop